Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dwi Yulianti with name D1002103030. Here I will present about how can engineers help climate change. An engineering must consider sustainable engineer and the impact of climate change. The task of engineering now is not only how to plan, manufacture or repair, but there is an additional task that is no less important, namely considering sustainable engineering factors and the impact of climate change in every planning, manufacture and improvement carried out. Sustainable engineering is the process of using research in ways that do not harm the environment or waste material for future generations. Very important role of civil engineering to control climate change. Civil engineering must design an eco-friendly structure which cannot affect the climate condition. Environmental conditions have no effect. Ecosystem must be balanced. There is no need to build heavy type structure in hilly areas because these types of structure affect the environment and ecosystem. But things are important for human life. In our environment, heat energy is increasing so that we can control it by using the concept of green buildings. In the future, we can use green building. It's very efficient. The role of civil engineers is not only in fighting climate change through new projects, but also in the rehabilitation of existing infrastructure. The technical knowledge that comes with the profession will be put to better use if elements of the phenomenon are considered in making engineers' decisions. Climate change comes from nature and we cannot control it. If you instead buy into the concept that we are the cause of climate change, engineers can do something about it. For example, develop a filter for a start. They will scrub the air and it will be clean. They might set up a trap that will attract CO2, thereby removing it from the air. Civil engineering has a lot to offer in mitigating climate change. For example, a house with well convert foam insulation on the exterior walls will reduce heating and cooling costs by up to 90%. Construction costs are reduced in 8 to 10 years. Big buildings offer more opportunities. The only things a civil engineer can do to reduce climate impacts is to design energy efficiency. The mix of atmosphere is now closer to the great coast than to the 19 countries. Except for the extinction level, even the killed and breed more than 30% of all life on the planet. We don't be back. Don't let hackers sell you bills for expensive goods that won't have a real impact on the climate. For example, planting trees will not help with climate change. Civil engineers or anyone else can change the process of the sun or the atmosphere. What they can do is try to build stronger buildings to withstand the effect of natural hazards, design aspect roads to shelters, proper marine engineers to reduce shoreline damage, be it with natural structure like dunes and wetlands or native rocks. There are many things now, but the most existing technology is the ability to capture CO2 right in the chimney vent. Engineers will play an important role in providing solutions of this challenge, whether through decarbonization of power system, transportation and heating system, advance in renewable energy, or efficiency improvement and reduction. That's a presentation from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.